Around 50% of the global energy consumption is driven by heating and cooling. The heat is truly on in our cities, and we must urgently switch to a more sustainable and future-proof heating system.
For a successful transition to heat pumps with maximized efficiency, here are some key learnings. Think carefully about the temperature your heat pump needs to deliver. Choose a system that uses natural refrigerants. Ensure that the system provides optimized technology that shortens the payback time. Alfa Laval's compact plate heat exchangers are optimized to recover heat from industrial processes as well as low-grade heat from data centers or natural heat sources.